Okay, right, hello everybody and welcome. So what we're looking at here is how to create a contact list or contact group in distribution list in Outlook. Certain parts I'll have sort of flicking between screens because I'm trying not to show other people's email addresses which come up. If they do, I apologise in advance. Please disregard those, okay? But this can be a question that comes up in the ICT test. I appreciate some of you don't have Outlook. I'll explain in a moment how we might get around that point. But this also, again, is my version of Outlook. Your versions of Outlook might be a little bit different, so you might never do this the same way. I will include links to a couple of YouTube videos that can give you assistance in that, or if I get them downloaded, I'll put them in as well. Okay. For those of you who are using webmail, won't have access to potential distribution groups, I think the easiest way around that would be to put the person you're sending the email to, the main person sending it to, in obviously the to field. Then a carbon copy of the CC field. You then put the other people concerned in, write the bulk message, and then sort of say as a part of the signing of the email, I've also copied in the other people that you wanted included in this particular message. Okay. Sometimes it can be, particularly with email programs, you haven't necessarily got everything that you might need to, so you have to think your way around the problem. Okay. So quickly, let's do this. So on my email screen at the bottom left hand corner, I've got these list of icons here, and I press the people icon, it takes me to here. I go to new contact group. I'm going to put in the name of the contact group. Okay, trying to type it correctly. In this case I'm going to call it delivery team, and then I can add my members in. I go to add members, new email contact. Excuse me because I'm tugging 3 screens here, so things will disappear. I type in the name of the main contact, and then I will type in the email address. Now this is a fictitious email set of a set of fictitious email addresses that are set up as part of the ICT test, which I'm sort of basing this question on. Right, so I then go to here, which is going to be Lucy. And her email address is going to be what is it now? L Wilson, isn't it? L Wilson, can't spell. At progressmedia.co.uk. Okay, and finally, new email contact over here. Okay, and that is going to be B Barker at progress-media.co.uk. Okay, notice I've accidentally put the email address in the display name. What I'm doing is just going to quickly copy and paste that into the correct field there, so that's not a problem. If you do that in test and you get it wrong, just delete the name and start again. Okay, and okay, right, and I'm now going to save and close that. Okay, now I'm going to set the email up that I need to do as part of this, but if you need to just bear with me, because for reasons if you appreciate, I do need to do part of this off screen so I'm not showing other people's email addresses. Okay, so now all I'm actually doing is just typing the email address in as you normally would do. Okay, no difference here, but what I'm doing in the CC field is I'm actually typing in the word delivery, which is delivery team. Okay, so that automatically picks up in the grouping setup that is the people you want to send to, which I've done, and I'm just going to put the title in. Okay, so what you can just quickly see there is I've actually how I put the email address in, type the person in, and then I've just typed the name of the grouping, which is then put that name up. Okay, I'm just going to do just a very quick message. Hello Pauline, please find attached requested information sheet. Okay, kind regards. Now to attach, similar to all email programs, we'll go to attach here, but just bear with me one moment. Okay, I'm not going to have, unless I've got all the information. Here we go. I've actually got the file there. If not, I'd have to go through Browse PC and look through until I found the file. obviously, again, depending where you've saved the file you've done as part of the test, locally in your computer, and that would all that will be. And then all I need to do is then just do a screenshot and put that into my test files. So okay, so that's just an example of how you just create a distribution list in Outlook. So thank you very much for your time, and see you on another video soon. Thank you.